Hello, I'm here today to talk to you about Mercury, not the planet or the winged messenger, but the element, chemical symbol Hg, from its Latin name hydrogerum, meaning liquid silver. We care about mercury in the environment because it's a neurotoxin that increases in concentration as it moves up food chains, from small to large organisms. Human symptoms of mercury poisoning include depression, anxiety, and loss of motor control. In animals, behavioral changes caused by mercury stop social fish from schooling and birds to neglect their young. These are all detrimental to reproductive success. Extreme exposure to mercury is also fatal. Mercury is released from the Earth to the atmosphere through both natural and human processes. Human outputs of mercury have increased in the last century due to coal power generation and industrial uses. Once released into the atmosphere, these natural sources are indistinguishable from human sources. Fortunately, new techniques in stable isotope chemistry can change the way that we monitor these mercury emissions. Isotopes are forms of the same element with equal numbers of protons but different numbers of neutrons, which create measurable differences in atomic mass. Mercury has a collection of naturally occurring isotopes. We can measure and compare these isotopes to create a traceable fingerprint that monitors mercury. My research measures mercury isotopes in water, plankton, and fish from lakes in northern Canada. By exploring the way mercury isotopes change and separate in the environment, I can explain geochemical cycles and identify sources. For example, water, heavy in mercury, could be an indication of more recent mercury deposition. This is because heavy mercury isotopes require more energy or sunlight exposure to evaporate out of solution. In addition, materials such as coal can have unique isotope fingerprints depending on their region of origin. These can be preserved in the sample and be able to use to identify sources. Use of mercury-stable isotopes can help improve our mercury monitoring programs. Accurate knowledge of geochemical cycles and identification of source can allow us to better regulate mercury emissions in Canada and abroad, which will help ensure the safety of our natural ecosystems and food resources. Thank you.